Welcome to Ugandan Kitchen in yet another video. In today's recipe, I'll be making stuffed burgers or stuffed buns. These are good for a couple, for someone who is single. You want to transform your buns to a next level, then this is definitely a recipe for you to try. So start by chopping your potatoes and then fry them until they are a light brown or until they are ready. Just when they're soft, then yeah, we are good to go. Here I start making the burger sauce, just like the way we make burger sauce for the regular burgers. It is the same way. You use a little bit of mayonnaise, tomato sauce, a little bit of dried oregano. This is optional. I just wanted to add a little bit of that oregano. Then I use paprika, salt, Dijon mustard, and then yeah, you mix all that. You can add a little bit of black pepper if you have it with you, if you would love to taste it in this sauce. It is just fine. And any other dry herb that you would love to taste in your burger sauce. I mean, you can just customize it to suit your taste and preference. Then here I slice the tomatoes. Like you can see, once I'm done, I then put aside lettuce that I'm going to use. If you do not use lettuce, you can use cabbage. It can be a red cabbage, it can be the regular cabbage. Then once the potatoes are soft, here I drain them and put them aside in a bowl. Then I reduce on the oil and I leave like a tablespoon, and then I fry one diced onion, like you can see there, until it is caramelized. Then you turn off heat and then put it aside for later. So I started grating the cheese. I used mozzarella cheese, but you can use cheddar cheese, any other type of cheese, or you can just mix them together, cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese, whichever you would love. And as well, if you do not want cheese, if you're not a fan of cheese, you can leave it out. If you are going to use your oven to heat and also to like prepare these buns, then preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Then like you can see here, I start and I slice the bun. Then we are going to create like we are going to make them like in a bowl kind of shape. Yeah, you remove the inner part just a little bit such that there is space where you are going to stuff our we are going to put our fillings. So once we are done like that, like you can see, it is a very nice bowl. Then we start with the sauce. I mean, the arrangement of how you can do this really can a little bit differ depending on how you would love, and also the vegetables can differ a little bit depending on what you would love. So I started with the sauce. That is what I preferred. Then I added the tomatoes. This is going to make this burger juicy. It's going to make it soft because I mean the tomatoes, well, it's going to make it soft, and also the burger sauce. Also the cheese will be making it soft and flavorful and juicy. So once you're done with the tomatoes, you add your lettuce and then you add your potatoes. If you do not use potatoes, it can be leftover chicken, it can be minced meat, it can as well be eggplants for someone who is vegan and you want something just a little bit different from the usual one. Then here I added the onions and then I covered with mozzarella cheese, like you can see that in the video. So yeah, I made this and here we are done. So we are going to put this on the baking tray. Then I grated on top a little bit of garlic. Then I seasoned with salt and uh, dried oregano for that extra flavor of that dry herb. So yeah, here we are done, and I used also the rest of the buns and I did the same thing. And like you can see here, we have our 4 stuffed buns. They are ready to be baked in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. And if you are going to use a stovetop, then you can as well like reduce your heat, and then you press in a pan and then you cover until the cheese is all melted. So once it is melted, you cover with the tops and then you bake for 3 to 5 minutes. just for the cheese, to cover up the bun, and then you have a very nice stuffed bun. Meanwhile, help me subscribe to my channel to help me grow. That is Ugandan Kitchen. Once you click on that button, it means you have subscribed. Then click on it again and then turn on your notifications. You will be notified whenever I post a new video. Please do not forget to give a thumbs up whenever you watch the video. This helps me with YouTube algorithm, which helps my channel to grow, more people to view, more people to comment and appreciate my work. So please let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Thanks. Then here we are done with our burger, like you can see, and it is juicy, it is soft and so flavorful, like you can see there. Yeah, it is yummy and well seasoned, like you can see there. It is so tasty. Yeah, and you are done with your romantic date night dinner for your hubby, for your loved one, for your family and friends. You can serve this with chips masala, coleslaw, or any other vegetable of your choice. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. You can as well serve this with oil-free salad dressing of coriander. There, I left the video. So, or you can serve it with any other mayo dipping sauce, like you can see there. All the recipes, I have them on my channel. Kindly go check them out and let me know what you think about them in the comment section. Different smoothies that you can as well have with this burger. Until next time, thanks for watching.